Hey, so today we're taking a deep dive into something a bit different from the usual tech gadgets or consumer electronics you're used to seeing. This is a 2D, 3D optical equipment electronic projector, specifically designed for high-precision manual optical vision measurement and image measuring. Now, at first glance, it might look a little niche or specialized, but this is one of those devices that combines optical precision with digital accuracy, and it's honestly fascinating if you're into detailed measurement engineering or even industrial design. The first thing that hits you when you look at this instrument is just how solid and precise it feels. It's not just a projector in the sense of displaying images. This is a high-precision optical device, capable of projecting and measuring 2D and 3D images with a level of accuracy that you rarely see outside professional labs. The build quality is excellent, with a robust frame that ensures stability while you're measuring. It doesn't wobble, which is critical because even a slight shift can throw off measurements when you're dealing with micro or millimeter level tolerances. One of the standout features here is the dual capability for both 2D and 3D projection. Traditional optical projectors usually focus on flat measurements, but having a 3D option opens up a lot of possibilities. You can use this for measuring complex shapes, components with curvature, or even prototypes. For engineers, designers, or quality control specialists, this means you can quickly verify dimensions without having to rely solely on calipers or coordinate measurement machines, which can be slower and more labor-intensive. Now, let's talk about the manual control aspect. While many modern instruments are fully automated, this one gives you manual control over positioning and alignment. At first, you might think that manual control is a drawback, but in reality, it's a huge advantage for precise calibration and adjusting to unusual parts. The knobs and dials are finely tuned, so every small adjustment translates into a precise movement of the projection or measurement plane. It's tactile and responsive, which is something you'll notice if you spend a lot of time working with optical instruments. Accuracy is where this projector really shines. The device uses a combination of optical lenses and digital processing to achieve highly accurate measurements. You can measure angles, distances, and even complex shapes in 3 dimensions with minimal error. For anyone in quality assurance or R&D, this is incredibly valuable. You can capture detailed information about a component or prototype without having to rely on multiple measurement tools. Essentially, it combines the precision of traditional optical tools with the convenience of modern electronic readouts. The projection system itself is surprisingly bright and clear. When projecting a 2D or 3D image, the edges are sharp, the contrast is excellent, and the projected image maintains clarity across different surfaces. This makes it easier to align, measure, and analyze the projected pattern. Whether you're comparing projection against a CAD model or just taking measurements directly from the projection, clarity and accuracy are key. Another point worth mentioning is versatility. This isn't just for industrial or lab use. If you're into advanced modeling, prototyping, or even educational purposes, this tool can serve multiple functions. From demonstrating geometric principles in a classroom to inspecting parts in a small workshop, it's surprisingly adaptable. You can see why investing in a high-precision device like this could save time, reduce errors, and improve overall workflow in professional environments. From a connectivity standpoint, some versions of this instrument may offer digital output or integration options, which allow you to connect to software for detailed data analysis. This means measurements can be recorded, stored, and analyzed, which is particularly useful for projects requiring documentation or repeated measurements over time. Overall, this 2D, 3D optical equipment electronic projector is a unique blend of precision engineering, digital enhancement, and practical usability. It's not your typical consumer gadget, but for anyone in specialized technical fields, it's an incredibly powerful tool. It's built to last, designed for precision, and flexible enough to handle both simple and complex measurement tasks. If you're someone who values accuracy, professional-grade performance, and the tactile feel of manual control, this device is absolutely worth considering. It might not be something everyone needs, but in the right hands, it can completely change the way measurements and inspections are done. So if you're interested in picking one up, the link is in the description below. This is one of those tools that's not just about seeing the measurement. It's about truly understanding it, interacting with it, and getting results you can trust. And that's why devices like this are so compelling in the world of precision engineering and optical measurement. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you enjoy seeing in-depth looks at unique and high-tech tools like this, make sure to subscribe for more detailed reviews, insights, and tech breakdowns.